Hey, it's Leah with your latest tech update. As the Russian invasion of Ukraine continues, the risk of a cyber attack hangs over ordinary businesses here. It's thought Russia could launch online attacks in response to sanctions. The White House has issued crucial advice to keep businesses protected against hackers. President Biden's improving the security of infrastructure, such as pipelines, electricity, and water, and he's asking businesses to urgently review their own security. It's suggested you use multi-factor authentication, where you generate a login code on a separate device to prove it's really you. Also, to encrypt all data and check backups. Make sure backups can't be reached by hackers. Plus, you should get a cybersecurity professional to check your systems are fully updated and patched. Train your staff on common attack methods and what to look out for. This is all good advice. If you need help making sure your business is safe, call us. That's your tech update. More next week.